Guys, on my background is a beautiful bahay kubo or nipa hut. But I'm not in the Philippines. I'm here in Purple Island, Doha, Qatar.
Not for me. Don't try to be a person you'll never be.
Purple Island is an amazing and a beautiful natural wonder in Qatar that is worth visiting.
I wanna say I don't want to.
So people, join me while I'll explore this beautiful place, Purple Island, in the state of Qatar. Hello guys, it's another beautiful day once again. Today is Friday, May 12, 2023, and the weather is good. It's not so very hot. Our destination today is to the northeast coast of Qatar. We are going to the Purple Island. So guys, the Purple Island is located in the municipality of the Al Khor. It is around 1 hour drive from the heart of Doha.
1 hour later.
So guys, we have arrived in the Purple Island, Doha, Qatar. I was surprised by the people. There are a lot of people coming here. I can see the families, the children, young and old, they are all here. Really, I was surprised by the influx of people.
A few inches later.
Look guys, wow, this is it. This is a beautiful place. This place is very amazing guys. See? So guys, I will go down. I want to see what's under. And I can see that lots of families are having fun. See? So guys, if you're looking for a place to unplug and get away from the hustle and the bustle city life, I think this is the best place for you to unwind. If you are a nature lover, I think this is the perfect destination for you. This is where you can spot fish, you can see the crabs, you can see the blooms, the plants, and the mangroves.
Meanwhile,
So, to continue guys,
Nandito po si Kuya Kim sa Qatar. Naligaw si Kuya Kim sa Qatar ba? Ayan oh.
Naloko na.
Hindi pa ako kay Kuya Kim. Gago! Thank you so much. Huwag niyo pong kalitan yung panoorin yung aking mga
YouTube guys.
yung aking mga video. Panoorin niyo yun palagi. Okay ba? Okay guys? Back to you guys.
20 minutes later.
so guys, what is amazing on this place is that the main landmark of this place is the wooden bridge, as you can see. The wooden bridge is located within the mangroves and above the water channels, which leads to some of the hills and the Purple Island Beach. So when you walk around, you will feel adventurous while passing by the wooden walkway. So guys, I have just passed through the Golden Bridge and I am now approaching to the hills. So let's go guys, let's see the view. Let's climb that mountain, that small mountain. They call it hills. So guys, let us enjoy the view. Let's go. So guys, I am here at the top of the hills. Let me tell you about the brief history of the Purple Island. According to the Qatar Museum, this was a place of transit, a temporary campsite for trade with Bahrain. The island was a production site for red purple dye from shellfish during the Kassite period. This place was a camp for pearling expeditions during the Sasanian period and a fishing outpost in the late Islamic period. So that's the history of this place, guys.
2 hours later.
Let's go back to our base. Okay. Grabe guys. Ang ganda ng experience, nakakatuwa dito. Ang saya pala mamasyal dito guys, kasama yung pamilya sa mga barkada. Di ba? Ang daming pumupunta dito guys, mga family, halos. So talagang mag-i-enjoy ka dito. Gusto mo mag-relax, mag-unwind. Yan, ito yung place na bagay sa'yo. Purple Island. The best. Ayan, so medyo madilim-dilim na. Pauwi na kami guys. So once again, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Bye, have a great time. Oh,
Hello!
how's the experience in the Purple Island?
Purple Island. Yeah.
What can you say about Purple Island?
It's far, but it's nice that you guys too many people. Yeah. It's so nice. Relaxing, guys. Yeah, come here in Doha. So you can see the Purple Island. Dami
Oh, yeah.
tao. Yay!
Oh.
Thank you!
Oh, a lot of fish here guys, see? Very small fish, but too much fish. Yeah, it's small. Yeah, it's small, but if you catch it,
But it's terrible.
it's too much. It will give you one.
Bakit?
Ang daming isda. Grabe. Ayan. My sister Jenny there over there. She's looking for the fish. A lot of fish. A lot of fish. Down under. You see?
Hello.
You see fish? A lot of fish?
Yes, I have a more fish there. Oh, too much. May pangsagyap kami guys, wala, hindi kami nakadala. Ang dami sanang makulit. Huh?
I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We try to upload 2 videos a day. And please help and support my channel.